Double whammy today, lovebirds, in Annie's 28-day relationship challenge. I just remembered that I've asked you guys to book a weekend away on Monday. So how many of you have done it? If you've done it, good for you. You know that you have to bring romance and passion back into your life so you can have that delicious relationship. So you can also have some more memories, like I've asked you this morning, to share with your loved one in years to come. But what do you have to do now? Well, I hope that you are packing. So if you're packing, you've got your clothes, you've got your shoes. Girls, don't forget the lingerie, they love it. Now, it is a dirty weekend to take all your bits and pieces, whatever they are, and have a wonderful time. Love each other, reconnect, and create